Well, you can push it. She's going to push a button on a remote.
Where is it?
Just push one.
This one.
Yep, that's good. I'm not sure what it's going to do. Yay! Now we're live! Awesome! We hope you had a Merry Christmas, and we wish you a Happy New Year. All right, Brenny, look up. What are you going to show them first? Which oil do you want to show them?
This one.
This one? All right, why don't you sit on my lap so they can see you better? Because you're the cute one. All right. So the first one Brenly has is peppermint, the Vitality line. So this means you can ingest it. You can make peppermint brownies, right, Brenly?
Yeah.
We love peppermint brownies. I actually you like it?
Yeah.
I actually put a drop of peppermint in my water every day, along with 1 drop of grapefruit and 1 drop of lemon. Lemon is great for detoxing. But that combo together is really good. Oh, Uncle Chip's watching. I guess he's your great Uncle Chip. Which one is this? Next we have lemongrass. So this is also a vitality oil, so that means it's safe to ingest. And I also, it smells really good, but I diffuse that one in the summertime too, to keep the drain flies away that like to get up in our house. Oh, she's shaking something up. What are you shaking up? Hey, Mommy's watching.
Mommy.
Hey, Mommy. Okay, this is mouthwash. This is the Thieves mouthwash. Actually, I've never tried it before. I bought 3 bottles.
I never tried it.
Yeah, she never tried it either. We'll have to try it after this, won't we?
Yeah.
That'll be good. But this is great, and all you have to do is 1 capful with water, and you're going to have fresh breath. Plus, if you know anything about Thieves, it's great for your immunity. So it's going to kill all the nasty germs up in your mouth too, right? And give you fresh breath. So we have fresh kisses. Oh, and this is bottle number 2. And what is this one? Bottle number, do you know what comes after 2? 1, 2.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Good job. Let me take that little battery out. Oh, she dropped it. That's okay. All right, and we only have 1 more oil. Another thing that we ordered was Ningxia, because I get that every single month, and we have a 4-pack.
Mimi,
but
we almost got Ninja, so our guys.
we forgot it.
Yeah.
It's upstairs in the box. Well, I just didn't think we needed to bring it down right now.
No.
Is that okay? We can tell them how good it is for them. Lots of antioxidants, right? To keep you healthy. It works on every body system. Everybody needs it. Right, Brenny?
Right.
From the babies to the older people. Everybody needs Ningxia every day. 1 to 2 ounces every single day. It also comes in convenient little packets for on the go. And we're going to be heading to Disney World in a few months, and we'll be taking our packets with us. And then our other oil that we have is purification. Can you say that word?
Purification.
Purification, yeah, purification. And this is great for odors, to get rid of smells. If you have stinky sports equipment, stinky shoes, stinky anything, this is a great one for that. It has other uses as well, but people love it for that. All right, Brenny, anything else? Well, thank you for holding up the mouthwash. Is there anything else you would like to tell all of our friends before we go?
No.
No? You want to sing them a song or anything?
No.
No? You want to tell them Happy New Year?
Happy New Year.
We hope you have a wonderful, Happy New Year.
Happy Christmas.
And Happy Christmas. Yes, that'll be coming up in a little while, a few more months. All right. And if you haven't heard, in January, Young Living will be introducing CBD oil, which will be infused with oils. And coming from Young Living, we know that that's going to be top quality, all natural. You don't have to worry about where it's coming from. So if you have any type of pain or suffer from some anxiety and would like to try that, that will be coming out sometime in January. We don't know when at this time.
Sorry.
That's okay. She's all about holding the mouthwash. All right. She's trying to hold 3 at one time. Here, how about Mimi hold this one?
Yeah.
Want to show them? And we'll wave bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.